Hey, back to working on the Jeep today. I'm hoping a fairly easy process. This is the shifter. This is the boot. There's the other part of it over there. The other boot that's supposed to be right here was completely destroyed, so I bought some parts and we're gonna try to fix this. You gotta take this piece here and twist it. That seems to be a bit of a booger, but give me a minute and I'll think I can get it. Alright, I got it. There's some dirt and stuff in there. I'll have to clean that up. The bottom bushing looks pretty good still. Trans looks okay. So, no problems. It takes a little bit to get her to go, but it's not the end of the world. Well, I got my shifter, the bottom section cleaned up, spring cleaned up, the top retaining ring. This is the new one. This is the part that kind of threw me off because I got the piece, but I didn't have the original was obliterated. So I got to clean out. It took me a minute to figure out where that goes, but I got that. And then this piece here goes on the end here like this. So that piece goes there. This piece goes here. And then this piece goes on top. So I got to clean up the housing a little bit, and then we should be able to put it back together. Alright, so you can see it's cleaned up out of there now. The cups, the remains of that bushing were all right in the bottom of this cup. So we got to put the bushing in first, and then we'll start putting it back together. Okay, I got that retaining clip back in, and I'm putting the rubber cover on it now. And that was difficult. It did not want to go. But eventually we had enough discussion that it decided it was going to go. So we're in the home stretch now. Okay. It's all back together. And in the correct orientation, the boot down there is nice and in again, so keeps the mud out of the interior. Still need to make up some sort of clip for here. Clean this up a little bit, but otherwise, it's in good shape. So, yep, not the worst thing I've ever done, but certainly wasn't the easiest thing either.